Hey, what's up, everybody? It is Carlos Sanchez, aka Sneak Geeks, coming at you with another cryptocurrency news cap. So, it's a little late today. I usually do this earlier in the morning, but we're gonna cover Ecoinplus has gone dark. We're gonna cover freewallet.org stealing users' funds. We're gonna get into is Bitcoin better money than Ethereum, and a little mining update. I don't have a lot of time. I got about 10 minutes because I got to run and pick up my son from tutoring. So try to crank out this video. So let's go to the top story. And we're looking at the Merkle.com. The Merkle.com posted a story here that freewallet.org users see outbound transactions redirected to unknown addresses. This is a mobile wallet, I believe. Let's see. So it's a mobile wallet supporting specific cryptocurrency. For the longest time, there appeared to be no issue, but the situation has come to change. And that is what is going on with Free Wallet. It is a bit unclear as to what happened, but all of a sudden, cryptocurrency users are well aware of the dangers associated with using an online wallet platform. They are never full control of their private keys and rely on the service operators to retain access to the money. Sooner or later, all these online wallets will either disappear or turn into a scam. It appears the latter has happened with freewallet.org. To be more specific, the platform is currently liquidating all user wallets and taking the money for themselves. Several thousand Ether have been lost in the process. Other cryptocurrencies may be affected as well, even though no official number has been provided at this time. The platform supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, Monero, and Dash, along with another dozen or so different cryptocurrencies. Yeah, so a lot of the currencies never had a proper mobile wallet developed, thus Free Wallet made a lot of sense in this regard. So people took advantage of this. To put it into perspective, the wallets are being drained in a somewhat ingenious way. Even transactions conducted through the service will have their recipient address changed to an unknown address. Once the user sends the money, their funds will be lost. It is certainly possible the service has been hijacked by an unknown third party, although many people suspect that this is not the case. And only time will tell who is responsible for the thefts. That much is evident. So also freewallet.org posted a comment on Etherscan, and the post, the title is freewallet.org scam millions stolen. So you can find that, and all of this will be in the description below after the video has gone up onto YouTube. So Free Wallet posted a comment that they offer more than 14 wallets, most of them operating fine. Ethereum outbound transactions are delayed at the moment due to issues with the blockchain. And then people say, if the problems are a result of the Bancor ICO, can you explain why the problem started before it took place? Also, why has not your support team been responsive? It has been unresponsive to people who asked about their problems with their transactions. So there you go, folks. Stay away. Stay away. So the lesson here, stay away from online wallets. Stay away from mobile wallets that are an open source and that are controlling your keys. If you don't have control of your keys, you don't have control of your money. That is the bottom line. What is up? Juan Jose Aguirre and Luca F makes crypto area at great risk. Yeah, so we're going to try to get into that right now. So that is the story with that. Let's go back to the headlines. See, I'm going to increase my ISO, folks, because it looks like I'm getting dark. So I'm going to increase it there. And let's go to the other story, which is still on the Merkle.com blog. We talked about that. The second story, just going to the headlines. And Bitcoin's price continues to rise. Analysts say it'll reach 100,000 in the next 10 years. That's crazy. So the analyst who predicted Bitcoin going up to 2,000 now has another prediction. This time it's even more astonishing according to his newest prediction. 100,000 in 10 years. I believe that's quite possible. Ethereum Classic climbs the ranks to become 4th largest. And top recent darknet market exit scams. You gotta be careful of that. I'm not gonna get into that right now. And okay, so that is the Merkle. You know what I didn't do is go into the coin market cap, which I should do right now, to see what is happening at the coin market cap. And Bitcoin is down 25.11. Ethereum is down 358. Everything is down. Ripple is up a little bit at 28 cents, but everything looks down. Waves is up. Steam Dash is down. Now this is in US dollars. Let me look at Steam, because I just bought a bunch of Steam at 203, still basically at the price. What's more interesting, let's switch this up to BTC. It says everything is down because if Bitcoin's down in USD, then everything else is going to be down in USD pretty much. But let's look at how things stand in reference to Bitcoin. So Ethereum is down 0.55% in reference to Bitcoin, but not everything, but a lot of things are up. Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, BitShares, Monero is down, Waves is down in relation to Bitcoin. Zcash has been way up. I think they were at 400. And Steam is down. So there you go. So that's always an interesting thing that you should look at. Let's look at the headlines at CoinDesk. You know what? Before we go there, I want to go into EcoInPlus. So EcoInPlus has gone dark. The website has gone dark. If you Google it, you see all these hits here. A lot of them are scams promoting. This one isn't promoting it, but the majority of them are promoting EcoInPlus. Thank goodness you can't get in there anymore, because if you go to the website, it's been dark since Saturday or Sunday. I made a video a while ago telling people about it, telling them to stay away because there were a lot of YouTubers promoting it. Crypto Nick, celebrating 8,000 subscribers, invested 10 Bitcoin and it's gone dark. And he promoted it and got people to sign up underneath him. Stay away, folks. Like I said, stay away. Okay, the headlines on CoinDesk. Australian politicians call for Bitcoin scrutiny to fight against terrorism. This is bullshit. They're just using that to try to control freaking cryptocurrency and try to, really take it over because they want to assimilate it into their freaking fiat system. So that's some bullshit stories right there. I mean, it's a real story, but some bullshit initiatives. And Illinois eases burden of cryptocurrency startups with new guidance. So that's cool. Let's move on to Cointelegraph. Wanted to go in here, and Cointelegraph has a social media contest. These graphics are really beautiful. So what you win is one of these graphics. They'll make a graphic of you holding a selfie with Cointelegraph written in the selfie, and whichever selfie gets the most votes and comments will win. I'm not interested. Like I mentioned, IOTA yesterday traced 38 million within 24 hours on Bitfinex, but that's just a lot of people rushing to get in. I was talking about it, mentioned it. I did not get in. I was looking to get in. As I did more research, I said, you know what? I'm going to hold off. There's too much hype going on right now if I get in. Because what they're trying to solve, the Internet of Things, I mean, they don't actually have a working model as far as I know. Yeah, a lot of people have mentioned that they're going to get in on the Internet of Things. They want to be the blockchain for that. And there's been a lot of effort doing that. They have the most, coming in at 6th or 7th place. Let's see where they are now. It is pretty impressive. They're 7th place today with a dollar market cap of seventh place with $1.4 billion market cap. The total market cap, which I didn't cover, was 106 billion. BTC dominance is slipping. It's going down to 38.5. I think that's one of the lowest it's ever been. And so yeah, that's what's up with that. Let's go over. Oh yeah, this story here. Let's see if I have that. this story here. Bitcoin, is it better than Ethereum? So Vinny Lingham, he's been in the space a long time. He created Gift, was one of the early places where you can send Bitcoin and get gift cards at a discount. Discount used to be like 10 or 15%, and you could get like Amazon gift cards and other types of gift cards, and there's an immediate arbitrage opportunity there. I used to take advantage of that, but then they dropped it. I think you get now like 5%, and then with the fees of Bitcoin, it's not as a encouraging arbitrage opportunity though. But he states that Bitcoin is better money while Ethereum isn't. And, because Bitcoin was created as money and Ethereum was created as a platform for running apps, dApps, distributed applications, and DAOs. And that's what it's good at. It wasn't designed to be a store of value. And Vitalik said that early on. So he talks about that, right? So I saw that story along with some other stories, which I'll talk about later. But let's go to Bitcoin.com, mobile Go token to begin trading on Bittrex exchange following successful crowd sale. I haven't really checked where that is. So it raised 53 million. Wow, over a 30-day period. That's crazy. And gives you game credits and Bittrex. So Bittrex, having turned 4 recently, is one of the oldest and most trusted digital currency trading platforms on the planet. It has been great. I use it. That's one of my primarily go-to places for trading, which is, I just gave you a shot of that. All right, so that's available there for trading. Watch the price. Don't go in early on. Wait till the price stabilizes. After the hype goes down, price will drop, and that's when you get in on that. Okay, so let's scroll down where we are. We're still, news. We're still at newsbitcoin.com. Hidden reason behind the Bitcoin's increasing fees. The darknet. Exchanges repeatedly overloaded during price movements. Popular demand spurs Goldman Sachs to start covering Bitcoin. The rise of digital money has exploded since Bitcoin's creation. So that is all positive news. Positive news. Bitmain unveils scaling Bitcoin roadmap. So as we all know, August 1st. So this is newsbtc.com. We know that Bit148 SegWit will be coming August 1st, but Bitmain is offering a alternative. Instead of the user-activated soft fork, he's suggesting a user-activated hard fork. According to the article here, it doesn't look like it'll get traction. It'll need traction to be activated, and a lot of people I don't think are going to be going with that. Hopefully, because Bitmain, even though I've been using their equipment, and this is once again the Bitcoin is better than money story. Bitmain has politically, I don't agree with his political views. So there's a story I found, and did I just close that story out? Shit. Okay, here we go. Selling Ether, taking profit from my longest hodl. Hodl. You guys see the hodl? So I've been reading some stories. A lot of people, the increase in Ethereum has been very bubbly indeed. And I've been looking at it and thinking about when to take profits. So reading this story, dude did his thing, took some profits. I'm not going to get into the story. You go to steemit.com/@EXYLE. Description will be, the link will be in the description. And he's taking some profits. And so according to Coinbase, it's 3,000% increase. That's a lot of gains. There's been a lot riding on the future promises, Lightning Network, sharding, proof of stake, let alone all the ICOs that are hoping for an Ethereum network that can make all this happen. All this is perfectly fine for investing at Ether at $5, but at $368, you will need to have some serious balls hoping they can make this work. I therefore feel that it's overpriced currently until more becomes clear. I'm selling a part of my holdings. My balls have been stretched to the max, and hodling this long and needs some relief. I agree, brother. If FOMO is a term, I think FOLE should be one too. Fear of losing everything. So FOLE, That's why I'm suffering from at the moment, and it started today out of nowhere. It's a gut feeling. I tend to listen to it, and I don't suffer from FOLA when it comes to Steem because I can see where it's going in the future. It's already working perfectly. It can scale. Also, like the business model, it is, and by the way, it's built on the graphene blockchain. Also, like the business model, if there is such a thing without an owner, it's also around $2 per Steem, which is not extreme at all in my mind. So let's take a look at this dude's. This is very interesting. He's talking about it. I'm following him. I'm going to open up his profile. This is one of the interesting things about Steem, and I'm going to go to his wallet. He has 992 followers. He has a reputation of 68. And in his wallet, he has 81,000 Steem at a value of $190,000. So, yeah. So he's like, you know what? I'm getting out partially. And you know what? I kind of followed that lead, folks. I got to tell you, I went to Bittrex and I sold. I sold a little bit. Price is down a little bit from where I sold. And I got into... You know what? Let me just, in case, let's do this over here. I don't want anything to be exposed. Sorry, folks. I'm just checking some things. So, yeah, I'm going to bring that tab back. And looking at my wallet. So, looking at my wallet here, these are rewards that I'm getting, but I upgraded, I powered up. I did here 647, 599, 499, 499. I started with 99, 10, another 99. So I've been powering up. And presently my wallet has 4,261 Steem. So if you come follow me and my followers have gone up, whoa, 216, congratulations to me on 216 followers on Steem, because that means that it's time for me to give away some Steem. So I got to make a video, and I'm going to make a video that whoever posts a comment and follows me and posts a thoughtful comment, I'm going to be giving away some Steem. Yippee-oh-yay on that. Yes, sir. So my current rewards right now, this is like happening all the time. I'm going to transfer this to balance right there. And that's what's up, everybody. My followers are growing. So just to show y'all something, let's go here. I really like this story, but I'm going to go to maybe hot. Or better yet, I'm going to go to, I'm going to go to hot. Open link, a new tab. I'm going to show you guys. So investing in Steem, 2 hours. So I'm going to upvote this, right? It's got 430. Going to show you a little thing that I use. 430 upvotes, $869. So 430 people are dividing that money up. That's a pretty good ratio for me. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to upvote this. I'm going to give it a 30% upvote from $69.99, and it went up 40 cents. I gave that person 40 cents automatically. So this one here is 201 upvotes at $254. That's also a good ratio. And 54.85. So I just gave them also about 40 cents. So I like those odds because let's look at something. This also is a great, it's only 2 hours old. Let me increase that. So something that is not as good. So let's see. So here, 130 upvotes, $67. So 130 people have to divide $167. Same thing here. 90 people have to divide $57. Not too bad, but I prefer odds where the people that are splitting up are getting more like $1. I'm going to do a more thorough video on details of Steemit and how it works and how to best interact on there. But that is just one tip that I recommend for Steemit. And I think that's it, right? I had some other things I want to share. But so as far as mining upgrades, I'm going to do a video on mining upgrades. For me, Steemit is a mining upgrade. I was going to invest more in mining, and I decided to put it in Steemit. Because it's mining in that by you upvoting and by you by you upvoting and you posting content and making, posting stories on Steemit, like I'm doing here, you get paid for that, right? Here's some posts that I re-steamed, some of my original posts. I put some sneaker posts on there, other posts that I've re-steamed. You get paid for that. And getting paid for that, that's like mining. And I want to, actually, I should be showing you that screen. I'm over here talking and I'm showing you the screen. So here is my blog. And you can see here, I re-steamed this, right? Gave it an upvote. I re-steamed this other thing here. Re-steamed it. This is an old post I made on YouTube on my sneaker channel. I posted it on here, right? Another thing I re-steamed, another post, a post that I made for IOTA, posted it on here, and getting paid for that. So Steemit is a type of mining, but the mining that you're doing is you're mining by posting and upvoting. So I think it's a good alternative. So everybody, I gotta go. Peace out. Please, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I got some more videos I'm going to make. I'm going to make detailed videos about Steemit. I'm going to make detailed videos about my mining and what's been going on and my progress there. All right, everyone. Peace, and I'll see y'all in the next video.